It is a profound honor and pleasure to welcome you all to the grand launching of our traditional festival, Gligbaza. I extend a heartfelt greeting to our esteemed chairperson, the special guests, the elders, our partners, and everyone who has come here together to make this day a reality. Your presence here signifies the enduring spirit of our traditional and strength of our community. Today we gathered here to celebrate the Gligbaza launching, which is the rich tapestry of our heritage. The Gligbaza is more than just a celebration. It is a vibrant testimony for our culture and value and historical agricultural bounty, which define us as a people. Fellow members, it is a day to honor our ancestors, to connect with the earth and that sustains us, and to reaffirm the bonds that unite us, that unites across generations. I therefore want to express my deepest gratitude to the organizing committee, volunteers, and all who have worked tirelessly to bring this Gligbaza launching to life. For it is a collective effort, and its success belongs to all of us. I, in this regard, invite you all to immerse yourself in the spirit of Gligbaza launching. Let us laugh, learn, and share the unique culture experience that awaits us. Let us also embrace this opportunity to reconnect with our roots, learn from each other, and build the lasting memories. Enjoy the Gligbaza launching. Thank you.
Somebody, whoever is watching, I think the festival is very important. We have a challenge of water in this community, so we want help from any other person who can come to our aid. And also, our road network is also bad, so anybody who is watching and then listen to me very careful, we want help from all over, friends and relatives who are far and near. They should come down and assist us to celebrate this festival and make it possible for us to have a good potable water, drinking water, and also a good road network in the community. Youth that are watching, the advice I'm trying to give to them is that they should all make sure that wherever they are, they should try and support. Wherever they are, they should all try and come down and assist us to celebrate this festival. to make it possible for us to get enough money to be able to raise the water project in the community. There are so many activities that are going to come on. For instance, there's going to be a football game. There's going to be, what do you call it, a canoe race. They are going to race, and there's going to be a lot. I may say we are inviting the entire country, whoever is watching, especially the people of Tongu, and then the friends and the relatives who are far and near. All of them are invited.